Alright, so this video is in response to Christopher's response to the set of questions of love. So for the first question, can you get someone to love you? You said yes. Basically, like everyone I think would say yes. And you had talked about that you believe in love at first sight. You said love takes time, and that you have to fall in love with someone. Not like you have to of your life, but to fall in love with someone, you have to do it, I guess, which makes sense. And like I talked about in my video, I obviously agree with you on that. You can get someone to love you. You said love takes time. I would agree with you on that. Dating my girlfriend for 3 years now. I was pretty critical on when I would say the love word back in high school. It was a big deal. But it takes time, and I agree with you on that. For the second question, is love selfish, selfless, or both? You had talked about it being strange and complex, and that selfish love is someone who loves someone because how they make them feel. And I would kind of agree with that on that. Like I talked about in my video, my dad was pretty selfish, I thought, and that pretty much lines up with what you said. And then you had talked about all love is different, and I would definitely agree with you on that. One couple doesn't love each other the same way as the other couple. Every single person in a relationship is different, and people will adapt to how the relationship is, and everyone's different, so all love is different. And then for the last question, is love a motivator for life and living? You said yes, it's a driving force, and leads to happiness, and it's a human nature to connect with someone. And I kind of said the same thing with the happiness. You can't love someone if they don't make you happy, if that makes sense. So with happiness, you will find love. So if you're seeing someone every day, and you have a relationship with them, and you're connecting with them, there will come a time when you start thinking really hard, and you just think about, do I love this person or not, and then do you have a future with them? So I agree with you on that it's a driving force, and it leads to happiness. So that is my response to your response.